What's up, boys? Today we got a beautiful 10th Gen SI up in the shop. Getting ready to become a little hot rod, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, nothing too crazy. Besides the oil change, we're just going to be throwing on this big turbo. So I guess that's pretty sick, huh? What is this? PRL? It's a whole PRL big turbo kit for the 10th Gens. Comes with a beautiful downpipe. Let's see what else we got. Comes with a Garrett 60. She's pretty big for a little Civic, for a 1.5. So she should rip some power. What else we got in here? We got all types of hoses. We got a Turbo Smart blow-off valve. Let's see. All types of couplers and shit for the intercooler.
That should be part of like the mid-pipe?
Yeah, I guess a mid-pipe, you would say. She gonna connect down to the downpipe, fit up to his exhaust. Let's see what else we got. We got a new intaker pipe. Guessing this is just like a turbo heat shield. Try to keep her nice and cool in there. Alright, so update number un. Got the bumper off. It's held on by like 75 different little plastic clips, so if you're trying to take off a 10th Gen bumper, fucking good luck to you, bud. Cause it ain't that easy. So now we're working on getting some more plastic bullshit out of here. Might have to take the crash bar off, maybe not.
Maybe.
Probably make it a little easier, but probably not. Start working on getting this little intercooler off. This side looks, yeah, same thing.
I want to see if we have any broken O-rings.
Alright, update number 2. Got the intercooler out. Got a lot of the intake and charge pipes off. Got the blow off. Yeah. Moving along. It's been like 15 minutes. She's about to get fucking installed already. Now what you got?
Trying to take this turbo intake out. This whole black piece. This is all one piece. I don't even know. Charge pipe, intake, fucking going to turbo. I don't even know what they got going on there.
Yes. Whatever it is, it's fucking ugly. So got that out of there.
We don't need it.
Yeah, we don't need it where we're going, boys. So now you can get a little look at that little tiny baby Terpski.
The actual Terpski.
Little tiny thing. Looks like a little stock GTI Terpski. What is that? A little bit of oil in there?
Caliente. Yeah, a little bit of blow by.
A little bit of blow by. Might need a catch can in the future. Yeah. Who the fuck knows? She's still warm, so now you can see how little that thing is. I mean, that's my damn hand, okay? She's fucking tiny. Now you can kind of get the feeling of how much of an upgrade this is. So I mean, she's gonna be a for sure ripper. I mean, pretty much this whole kit, I think it came in at like $1,700 for the 10th Gen.
Okay.
And I mean, you get a lot for your money's worth, so it's a pretty good deal if you ask me. Alright, got a lot of the accessories off the top. You can kind of get a look for her now.
Shields. Had to loosen up the coolant lines.
Kind of a weird little manifold thing, if I'm being honest. Though.
Single port manifold.
It's dumb, but
shit.
If it works, it works. Now you can really see how little that little turbo is. She's a small girl. But about to go under the car, get the little skid plate off, get whatever that is, the cat with the downpipe, blah blah blah. Get her out of there and then pull that turbo out. Should be fucking mint. Alright. We got the bottom of the downpipe unbolted from the rest of the exhaust. Unbolting the downpipe from up here. She should slide right off, and then we're going to take that old little turbo off.
Work on the turbo.
She's coming along pretty quick though. Pretty quick. It's only been about an hour. 40 minutes maybe. I guess they still make Hondas pretty easy to work on. For the most part, besides taking the bumper off.
Hardest part of the whole job.
Alright, got that stock downpipe out of there. It's literally just a fucking 1.5 foot long cat. This is what we're going to be switching her out for.
Off-road use only, guys.
Yeah, off-road use only. Because we going to take her bogging, baby, like the Audi. Some beautiful welds. Someone tell me if these are machine welds or not. I'm just curious. If not, whoever welded them got a damn steady hand, boy. So now it looks pretty simple to get the turbo out. It's all connected in one piece. There is no manifold connecting the turbo. The turbo is the fucking manifold. So, should be able to unbolt her and pull her right out of there. Just had to get the, what is this, the feed or the return? The feed?
The top is the feed.
Just gotta unbolt the oil feed. The fucking PRL kit comes with a new one for you. So you don't even have to reuse that. And yeah, she should come right out.
This turbo is gonna fall. Oh, coolant! We all love coolant.
Smells delicious.
Oh man.
I'm totally missing.
Don't miss the pan, guys. Golly, is this shit gonna be a mission to get out? Fucking Tetris, guys.
There it is. Finagle her out. Alright, fucking set it down. Let's see the new one versus old. I'm fucking excited.
Yeah.
I believe you could call that a fucking upgrade, dude. Little 3 fingies. That's a fucking 5-finger fitter in that bitch.
Got to swap over the actuator components.
Got the stock wastegate off. Got it off of here. Comes with a little adapter. She gonna fit right on there.
Yeah, I gotta change my plugs and shit.
Straight like that.
On the wires.
But yeah. We got the...
And I still got money returned on my core.
Got the manifold adapter on.
Yes, sir.
Oh damn, so the
You
new one
want to
just
touch
bolts
it,
right
making
in
sure
there.
that we're in spec. Touch it again, touch it again.
Is that, is that torque to spec?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Show me.
60 foot-pounds.
2 Oogadugas. Torque perfectly to spec. Yeah, so new turbo should be going in pretty damn soon.
With the Garrett.
Big old Garrett 66. Whew, alright, as you saw, day 2 on the big Terpski. Pretty much everything fits pretty well. Comes with a lot, pretty much everything. New pipes for everywhere. New charge pipes. You do have to reuse your intake though, like if you already have a... Well, I guess what? They want you to have a PRL cold air intake already? Yeah. If you do order this kit, get a PRL cold air intake kit with it, because it probably helps you out and it might not work without it. Got the intercooler in there. Getting everything tightened up. So far the only thing that didn't fit is, what is this? Just a fucking bracket?
Yeah, that's your hood bracket.
Oh, yeah.
It gets in the way of your turbo inlet. So they freaking give you hood struts to install. So obviously
They supply you with
obviously you had to cut that out.
some beautiful PRL hydraulic hood struts.
PRL.
Right? PRL everything, so. Got the whole turbo prettied up. Pretty much ready to stick in there and bolt down. Got the blow off valve on it. Right, that's the blow off. Fucking got the wastegate up here. Uses the stock wastegate.
Electric.
Comes with an adapter though and some shims, so we had to use all 3, but I don't know, maybe it's different on a different Civic. Who knows? And what is this for? This is just like the
That's your PVC.
PVC pipe will go right here. Whatever. Yeah. But yeah. She's almost finished up. Almost ready to rock.
Almost ready to rock, baby.
Got her oil lines down here. Got another one on the turbo. She's almost ready to go. Alright, another little update on the old 10th gen. See what we got, what we got. She's pretty much almost there. Got everything routed, tightened up now. Got all our sensors plugged in for the most part, besides this thing right here. Fucking, what'd you say this was, the PCV?
Yeah, it's a PCV valve.
PCV valve, gotta get that on. That should bolt on right to here after we get the downpipe and shit on. Something just like that, Got the intake pretty tight. Got all our intercooler piping tight. Got a nice big intercooler in there. Definitely an upgrade from this little stock dinger over here. This little stock turbo. But yeah, she's coming along. Should be ready to fire up in a little bit.
Just a wee bit.
Alright boys. Got the O2 sensors in.
Downpipe in.
Both of the O2 sensors go onto the downpipe. Got the downpipe in, looking freaking minty. So now we about to lift her up. Oh, you want to put all that shit on now?
Put the intake in.
Yeah. About to put the PCV pipe on. Finish setting up this intake, then jack it up, get the mid pipe installed. Looks like it's gonna be the hardest part of the whole thing, but we'll see. But other than that, we'll get the little PRL stencil that they sent out, sprayed on the intercooler, because why not? Shout out to PRL for fucking sending 72 stickers and air fresheners, all kinds of shit. Shout out to them.
Yes.
3 out of 10.
I'd say 3.
If you have some mechanical knowledge, you can do it.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Everything's pretty much bolt on.
When they say bolt on kit, they actually mean it.
Yeah,
There's not really
they
any,
put some engineering into this.
definitely a lot
not
of
bad.
research and development for this shit. Because a lot of things are very tight. Like this intercooler piping over here. It's like, it's pretty much on that plastic, but they made it fit perfectly.
A lot of the silicone hoses were made exactly correct.
Yeah. This isn't like a cheap little eBay big turbo kit. This is pretty legit.
Yep.
Alright guys, so just finished up. Got everything buttoned up on her. Got the bumper back on, everything looking good and clean. Everything tightened up, so now we're just gonna wait on a tuner to hit us back up. Figure out where to go with it. And yeah, so we hit up HP Logic because they're local. Trying to call Durf Tuned right now because he's like 40 minutes south. Probably call Hobby Tuned, see if he answers, but you know, it's kind of hard to get in touch with a tuner, so I guess you just gotta wait it out. So I guess the whole install and everything will be part 1 of this, and then obviously getting it tuned and running right will be part 2 for the next video. But like we said, pretty easy install, honestly. Definitely if you have a 10th gen, I'd recommend a PRL kit. It's like a 3 out of 10 for difficult wise, but pretty easy stuff. So stay tuned for the tune video.
Yep.
And see how much power she's gonna make